Hello students, good morning. Welcome to SS Online Classes. Students, we were reading chapter 5, One and Many of our English language book Cornerstone. Students, in our last video, our topic was some rules of change singular noun to plural noun. So students, included this topic, we have read some rules, change singular noun to plural noun, and we have also read and solved exercise B, which is page number 22, and we have also read and solved exercise C, which is page number 23 of this chapter 5 in our English language book Cornerstone in our last video. And students, today's our topic is some special rule of change singular noun to plural noun. So students, today we will read some special rule change singular noun to plural noun, and after this we will read and solve exercise D, which is page number 24 in our English language book Cornerstone, and last we will read and solve exercise O, answer the following questions of the chapter 5 in our Fair English language notebook in our today's class. Okay, so all students, please pay special attention in your class and listen to my words clearly, because today we are going to read some special rule of change singular to plural noun, and after this we will read and solve exercise D in our English language book, and after this we will read and solve exercise O of this chapter 5 in our Fair English language notebook. Okay, so all students, look at the page number 24. Okay, let's see. Learn means सीखिए. Nouns ending with y become plural by replacing the y with ies. Okay, nouns means संज्ञाएं, ending means अंत, with means साथ में, y. ओके, बिकम इट्स में बनती है, प्लूरल मीन्स बहुवचन, बाय मीन्स द्वारा. ओके, रिप्लेसिंग मीन्स होता है प्रतिस्थापित करना. ओके, इट्स मीन किसी वन वर्ड के प्लेस में कोई अदर वर्ड को हम पुट करने को बोलते हैं रिप्लेसिंग. ओके, किसी वर्ड का प्लेस को चेंज करना उसे बोलते हैं रिप्लेसिंग. ओके, दी वाई विथ मीन्स साथ में IES. ओके, इट्स मीन कि y के साथ समाप्त होने वाली संज्ञाएं y के स्थान पर IES का स्थान लेकर बहुवचन बन जाती हैं. ओके, तो स्टूडेंट्स, द मीन ऑफ दिस लाइन दैट y के साथ समाप्त होने वाली संज्ञाएं y के स्थान पर IES का स्थान लेकर बहुवचन बन जाती है. ओके, इट्स मीन कि अगर कोई वर्ड का लास्ट लेटर अगर y है, ओके, कोई वर्ड अगर y लेटर से उसका एंड हो रहा है, y लेटर से समाप्त हो रहा है, ओके, तो y के प्लेस पे हम IES पुट करके उसको सिंगुलर टू प्लूरल चेंज कर सकते हैं. ओके, तो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स एग्जांपल. फॉर एग्जांपल मीन्स उदाहरण के लिए फैमिली, FAMILY, फैमिली मीन्स परिवार. ओके, एंड स्टूडेंट वी कैन सी दिस वर्ड फैमिली एंड विथ y लेटर. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, रिप्लेस y with IES. Okay, so students, drop y and add IES. Okay, and then your word become families, FAMILIES. It's in parivaro. Okay, family it's a singular word and families it's a plural word. Clear? Let's see second number example. Your second number example is fly, FLY. Fly means students होता है मक्खी. Okay, students, we can see this word fly and with y letter. Okay, so students, रिप्लेस y विथ IES, ड्रॉप y एंड ऐड IES. ओके, y को ड्रॉप करिए, y को हटाइए और y के प्लेस पे IES ऐड करिए. ओके, तो स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन वी ड्रॉप y एंड ऐड IES in this word fly, then our plural word become flies, FLIES. Okay, fly means मक्खी and flies means मक्खियाँ. Clear? Fly it's a singular word but flies it's a plural word. Clear? Let's see third number example. Your third number example is lily, LILY, lily. Okay, it's a flower name. Okay, lily, we can see in this word lily and with y letter. Okay, so students, replace y with IES. Okay, I mean to say that drop y and add IES. Okay, तो स्टूडेंट y को ड्रॉप करेंगे एंड y के प्लेस पे IES को जब पुट करेंगे, देन योर प्लूरल वर्ड बिकम लिलीज, LILIES. ओके, लिली इट्स अ सिंगुलर वर्ड बट लिलीज इट्स अ प्लूरल वर्ड. क्लियर? Let's see four number example. Your four number example is cherry, CHERRY, cherry. Okay, student, we can see this word cherry and with y letter. Okay, so students, replace y with IES. Okay, y के स्थान पे IES पुट करिए. Okay, इट्स मीन कि y को ड्रॉप करिए, y को हटाइए, y के प्लेस पे IES को पुट करिए. ओके, y का प्लेस IES को दे दीजिए. स्टूडेंट, देन योर प्लूरल वर्ड बिकम ऑफ cherry is cherries, CHERRRIES, cherries. Okay, cherry it's a singular word but cherries it's a plural word. Clear? So students, we have read this rule. Okay, and we have learned that we can change plural and word ending with y letter. ओके, कि ऐसे वर्ड जो y लेटर से एंड होता है उनको हम सिंगुलर टू प्लूरल कैसे चेंज कर सकते हैं? y के प्लेस पे हम IES को पुट करके सिंगुलर टू प्लूरल चेंज कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू रीड एंड सॉल्व दिस एक्सरसाइज D. ओके, सो ऑल स्टूडेंट, लेट्स सी एक्सरसाइज D. और एक्सरसाइज D इज राइट द प्लूरल फॉर्म्स ऑफ दीज वर्ड्स. ओके, इन शब्दों के बहुवचन शब्द लिखिए. ओके, इन शब्दों के बहुवचन रूप लिखिए, प्लूरल फॉर्म्स बहुवचन रूप. ओके, सो लेट्स सी स्टूडेंट, योर फर्स्ट नंबर वर्ड इज बेबी, BABY. बेबी मीन्स बच्चा. Student, we can see this word baby and with y letter. So students, replacing y with IES. Okay, it's mean y को IES, y के स्थान पे IES को पुट करिए. Okay, students, when we drop y and add IES, then our plural form become babies, babies, it's mean बच्चे. Okay, baby it's a singular word, but babies it's mean it's a plural word. Babies means बच्चे. Okay, so students write down करिए babies in this first number blank, babies. Okay, let's see second number word. Your second number word is body, body. Okay, student body means शरीर भी होता है, body means संस्था भी होता है. Okay, so student we can see that this word body and with y letter, so students replace y with ies. Okay, y को replace करिए ies में. So students drop y and add ies, and then your plural form of this word body become bodies, bodies, bodies. Okay, इसमें संस्थाएं. Okay, let's see third number word. Your third number word is lady, lady. Lady means students औरत. Okay, या महिला. So students we can see this word lady and with y letter, so students replace y with ies. Okay, and then your plural form of lady become ladies, ladies. Ladies means महिलाएं. Clear? Let's see four number word. Your four number word is army, army. Okay, army. Army means सेना, army. Army means सेना. So we can see this word army and with y letters, students replace y with ies, and then your plural form of army become armies, armies. It means सेना. Clear? Student write down करिए armies, armies. Let's see five number word. Your five number word is city, city. City means शहर. So students we can see this word city and with y letter, student replace y with ies, drop y and add ies, and then your word become cities, cities. Cities means शहरों. Okay, it's a plural form of this singular word city. Clear? Let's see six number word. Your six number word is pastry, pastry. Pastry means students होता है मिठाई. Okay, so students we can see this word pastry and with y letter, so students drop y and add ies. Okay, we get to say that replace y with ies. Okay, and then your plural form of pastry become pastries, 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 pastries. It means मिठाइयाँ. Okay, let's see seven number word. Your seven number word is diary, diary, diary. Okay, so students we can see this word diary and with y letter, so student replace y with ies, and then your plural form of diary become diaries, diaries. Okay, diaries, diaries, diaries. Okay, it's been diarrhea. Clear? Let's see eight number word. Your eight number word is daisy, daihy. Daisy it's a flower. Okay, and it's mean होता है गुल बहार. Okay, so students replace y with ies, and then your plural form of daisy become daisies. Okay, daises, daisies. It's mean गुल बहारों. Okay, let's see nine number word. Your nine number word is story, story. Story means कहानी. Okay, so we can see this word story and with y letter, so student replace y with ies, and then your plural form of story becomes stories, stories. Stories means कहानियाँ. Clear? Let's see 10 number word. Your 10 number word is candy, candy. Candy. So student we can see this word candy and with y letter, so student replace y with ies, and then your plural form of candy become candies, candies, candies. Clear? So student we have read and solved this exercise D, and I hope you must have understood this exercise D. You have no problem in any word of this exercise D. Okay. Some nouns do not follow any of the spelling rules when they form their plurals. Okay, some nouns means कुछ संज्ञा do not follow, it's mean पालन नहीं करती, अनुसरण नहीं करती. Any means कोई भी of the spelling rules, it's mean वर्तनी नियमों का. when means जब, they means वे, form their plurals. Okay, जब वे अपने plural रूप में जाती. Okay, तो some nouns do not follow any of the spelling rules when they form their plural. It's mean कुछ संज्ञाएं जब उनका हम प्लूरल बनाते हैं, उनका बहुवचन बनाते हैं, तो वो कोई भी स्पेलिंग रूल्स को फॉलो नहीं करती है, कोई भी वर्तनी नियम को नहीं अपनाती, किसी भी वर्तनी नियम का पालन नहीं करती. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट लेट्स सी, रीड दिस लिस्ट केयरफुली. रीड मीन्स पढ़िए, दिस मीन्स यह है, लिस्ट मीन्स सूची, केयरफुली मीन्स ध्यानपूर्वक. रीड दिस लिस्ट केयरफुली, इट्स मीन इस सूची को ध्यानपूर्वक पढ़िए. ओके, सो ऑल स्टूडेंट्स रीड दिस लिस्ट. ओके, योर फर्स्ट नंबर column, it's a column of one. One means एक, only one. Okay, many, it's a column, it's your second number column, and it's a column of many. Many को column है many. Many means students अनेक. Okay, more than one, एक से अधिक. Child, child, child means बच्चा, it's one, एक है. Okay, and children, it means बच्चे, child, children means बच्चे, and it's many. Okay, अनेक है, कई है, more than one है, two हो सकते हैं, 3, 4, 5. Okay, more than one है. Let's see second word. Your second word is goose, G-O-O-S-E. Goose means Hans, it's one, and the many of goose is geese, G-E-E-S-E. Geese means Hanso. Okay, it's many. Clear? Let's see your third number word is mouse, M-O-U-S-E. Mouse means Shuha, it's one, and the many of mouse is mice, M-I-C-E. Mice means Shuhe. Okay, it's many, अनेक है, कई हैं. Your fourth number word is sheep, S-H-E-E-P. Sheep means भेड़, it's one, and the many of sheep is sheep, S-H-E-E-P. Sheep means भेड़ होते हैं, but students यहाँ कोई भी चेंज में नहीं होता है स्पेलिंग. ओके, सीप जो वन होता है उसकी भी स्पेलिंग SHEEP होती है, एंड जो मैनी होता है, अनेक होते हैं, मोर देन वन सीप होते हैं, उनकी भी स्पेलिंग सेम टू सेम होती है, SHEEP. क्लियर? लेट्स सी Your next word is deer, D double E R. Deer means hiran, it's one. And the many of deer is deer, D double E R, deer. Okay, तो students sheep and deer two words हमारे ऐसे हैं जिनके स्पेलिंग में कोई भी चेंज भी नहीं होता, उनके वन और मैनी सेम टू सेम रहते हैं. क्लियर? तो deer means hiran, deer means hirno. Okay, let's see. Your next word is ox, ox, ox. Ox means bell, it's one. And the many of ox is oxen, oxen. Oxen means value, it's many. Okay, more than one. Your next word is woman, woman. Woman means students औरत, it's one. And student, the many of woman is women, women. Women means औरतें, it's mean कि more than one होगी, many है, कई है, अनेक है. 2 women होंगी, 3 होगी, 4 होगी. Clear? Let's see. Your next word is man, man. Man means आदमी. And student, the many of man is man, man means आदमियों. Okay, तो man it's many. Clear? Let's see. Your next word is tooth, T-O-O-T-H. Tooth means दांत, it's one. And the many of tooth is teeth, T-E-E-T-H. Teeth means दांत. Okay, tooth means होता है only one teeth, only one tooth. Okay, सिर्फ एक दांत. Tooth means only one tooth, एक दांत. Teeth means होता है many teeth. Okay, it's mean अनेक दांत, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, more than one होंगे. Let's see. Your next word, which is last word, is foot. F-double-T, foot means पैर, it's one. And feet, F-double-T, feet means sparrow. Okay, it's many, many है, अनेक है. Clear? So students, we have read this list carefully and I hope you must have understood all these words. Okay, so students, turn your page forward because now we are going to read and solve exercise. Answer the following questions of the chapter 5 in our Fair English Language notebook. Okay, so let's see. Chapter number is chapter 5 and the name of the chapter 5 is one and many. One means एक, and means और, many means अनेक. One and many, it's mean एक और अनेक. Okay, let's see exercise हो. ये एक्सरसाइज हो. इस आंसर दी फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. आंसर मीन्स उत्तर दीजिए. दी फॉलोइंग मीन्स निम्नलिखित. क्वेश्चन मीन्स प्रश्नों के. आंसर दी फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन, इट्स मीन निम्नलिखित प्रश्नों के उत्तर दीजिए. ओके, सो लेट्स सी फर्स्ट नंबर क्वेश्चन. योर फर्स्ट नंबर क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज अ सिंगुलर नाउन. व्हाट मीन्स क्या, इट मीन्स है, आ मीन्स एक, सिंगुलर मीन्स एक वचन, नाउन मीन्स संज्ञा. व्हाट इज अ सिंगुलर नाउन, इट्स मीन एक वचन संज्ञा क्या है. So students, your first number answer is when there is only one of a naming word, it is said to be a singular noun. Okay, when means जब there is only one of a naming word, जब सिर्फ एक नाम वाला शब्द होता है, it is said to be a singular noun. तो हम singular noun बोल सकते हैं, एक वचन संज्ञा कहते हैं. Okay, तो when there is only one of a naming word, it is said to be a singular noun. Okay, it's mean कि जब नाम वाला शब्द सिर्फ एक नाम वाले शब्द को प्रदर्शित करता है, जब नाम वाला शब्द सिर्फ एक नाम वाला शब्द होता है. ओके, तो हम उसे क्या बोलते हैं, सिंगुलर नाउन बोलते हैं, एक वचन संज्ञा बोलते हैं. क्लियर? लेट्स सी एग्जांपल. एग्जांपल में उदाहरण. Your first number example is flower, F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower means फूल. Next example is boy, B-O-Y. Boy means लड़का. Book, B-O-O-K, book means किताब. Table, T-A-B-L-E, table means मेज. etc means आदि. ओके, ऐसे बहुत से नेम्स है. ओके, जो आपके सिंगुलर नाउन होते हैं. तो स्टूडेंट्स, फ्लावर, बॉय, बुक, टेबल, ऑल दीज वर्ड्स और सिंगुलर नाउन्स, ये आपके सारे एक वचन संज्ञा है. ओके, so students, let's see question number second. Second number question is what is a plural noun. What means क्या, what means क्या, it means है. The plural means बहुवचन, noun means संज्ञा. What is the plural noun, it's mean बहुवचन संज्ञा क्या है. So students, your second number answer is when a noun shows more than one, it is said to be a plural noun. Okay, it is said to be in the plural noun. Okay, when means जब a noun means एक संज्ञा, shows means प्रदर्शित करती है, प्रकट करती है. Okay, more means अनेक, then one means एक से. Okay, more than one means एक से अधिक. It is said to be in the plural noun. तो हम इसे बहुवचन संज्ञा में बोल सकते हैं. ओके, इट्स मीन कि जब एक संज्ञा एक से अधिक संज्ञाओं को प्रदर्शित करती है तो हम उसे बहुवचन संज्ञा में बोल सकते हैं, उसे बहुवचन संज्ञा बोल सकते हैं. क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स सी एग्जांपल ऑफ प्लूरल नाउन्स. योर examples are flowers. Okay, flowers means stand फूलों. Boys means लड़के. Books it's mean किताबें. Table it's mean मेजों. etc means आदि. Okay, so stand all these words, flowers, boys, books, tables, all these words are plural nouns. ये आपके सारे plural nouns से बहुवचन संज्ञा है. Clear? So students, we have read and solved this exercise of this chapter 5 and I hope you must have understood this exercise. You have no problem in any questions of this exercise. Okay, so students, today's class work is that complete exercise D, which is page number 24 of this chapter 5 in your English language book Cornerstone. And after student, note down exercise or answer the following questions of this chapter 5 in your Fair English language notebook. It's a today's class work. Okay, and student, your homework is that learn exercise D, which is page number 24 of this chapter 5 from your English language book Cornerstone. And after student, learn exercise of this chapter 5 from your English language Fair notebook. Okay, so today's homework and I hope you have no problem for learning work because I have explained you exercise D and also exercise O. Okay, so all students, firstly complete your classwork, complete exercise D, which is page number 24 of this chapter 5 in your English language book Cornerstone. And after students, read and note down exercise O of this chapter 5 in your Fair English language notebook and send me your work here. Thank you.